So we want to use this situation to illustrate the strategy. So our candlestick time frames is 1 minute. Our expression time again is 1 minute. So if we have after the previous candle is a green candle, we're just gonna buy. If the previous candle is a red candle, we're just gonna sell. If we lose, we double the amount. If we win, we go back to 1. Okay, so it's 80 cents per minute trading strategy. All right, so let's get to it. Just follow. So I'm gonna do this for just maybe a few trades, and make sure that you have an account that is around $200 and above. All right, and also make sure you enter the trades when there's a clear trend. You check the parabolics are how it's moving, whether there's a clear trend or not. All right, so let's just get to it. So the previous candle was a green candle. That's why we invested $1 and then we bought. Okay, so if this trade loses, that means we're gonna have a red candle. We'll place a $3 trade. All right, so let's see what's happening. Okay, so this is a loss here. All right, so we go down with the $3. Now notice that the dollar was going to give us a 92 cents profit, and now we entered with the $3. The $3 is going to give us a $2.76 profit. So it's like we cover up that dollar that we lost, and then since this profit is $2.76, that means we still have another $1.76 profit. All right, now as you can see, it's going out the opposite direction, so we're gonna have to go in with a $9. But if it reverses and goes in the money, we go back to $1. But if we lose, we're going in with the $9. Okay, so we just entered that trade with the $9. And notice again, the $9, if it wins, we're gonna have a profit of $8.28. The total payout will be $17. So the $8.28 is gonna cover up the first dollar and the $3. All right, and then that means our profit is going to be around $4.28. All right, so we making profit on each and every win. Whenever we win, we cover up the previous losses and then we have a profit on top. So just concentrate. Most probably this trade is going to win, so we go back to $1 if it wins. Okay, so this trade just won, and then we go in with $1 again. Whenever we win, we go back to $1. We only bid more after a loss. All right, so let's keep going. Even though my account is 13K, you're gonna notice that I'm just using very small amounts to illustrate the strategy. So if you have like a $200, this strategy is actually for you. And also make sure that you go through the PDF that I wrote for this strategy. It actually explains the best situations for you to enter this this strategy, for you to execute it actually. So this trade we just won again. We go in again with another $1. So as long as we are winning, we are just making 92 cents, 92 cents, 92 cents as we go. and we are making 92 cents because the asset that we're trading, if you check at the top left, it's paying 92 cents. All right, so let's keep going and see. Okay, we just won. Okay, so we enter with a dollar gain. Okay, as you can see, this trade seems like it's gonna lose. It's going against our direction, so we're going to go in with the $3, and then we're just following. It's a red candle, so we are going down. All right, so we entered this trade with the $3. Same thing, we're expecting a $2.76 profit. If you check, it says your payout $5.76. That means it's a $2.76 profit, and the dollar the dollar loss is covered from that $2.76, and then we are left with a $1.76 profit. So someone will ask, what about those situations where we're gonna have a red candle, a green candle, a red candle, a green candle? If we have those situations, and someone will say, are we not gonna lose the whole of our balance? And that's the reason why I said you have to use the parabolic SAR. It will guide you actually on when to get in and when to go out. All right, so we have won this trade again. All right, so now we have a dot at the top there of the parabolic SAR, and we want to wait or look for another asset where there is a clear trend. All right, and as far as observing a clear trend, we also consider the previous trend of the parabolic SAR. As you can see, we're making like more than 80 cents per minute. Check the balance that we started with and how much we've made so far. We only used a dollar, a $3, a $9. Happy trading day, guys.